Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what you can give to your hermit crabs. So I have a hermit crab kit here, and there are going to be a few things we're going to want, but we're not going to want everything here. So this pellet is like hermit crab soil. You guys might want to keep that just in case. The next thing is a sea sponge. You're going to put that in one of their waters. It'll be easier for them to climb out with it, so that's good. A hermit crab thermometer. You're gonna want that for sure. Yeah. That's heavy. Hermit crab soil. So I've heard, sand. It's not the soil. I've heard it stops them from molting. If you guys are looking for the right substrate, I would do coconut fiber mixed with some play sand. You really want your hermit crab to be healthy, and if they can't molt, that's a big problem. The next thing is this shell. This shell would be okay if I just washed it off. And I put it up like this in my hermit crab's tank for when they molt. They can choose if they want it or not. You're going to want multiple options for a shell. But if your kit came with, or if you bought a painted shell, painted shells are not good for hermit crabs. One of the reasons is the paint will peel, and if it's not dry, it can seal the hermit crab inside, as well as some paints are toxic. So, yeah, hermit crab food. This is probably good. I might need to do some research on it. This is a dish. This will not be, you will not want this for one of your hermit crab's main dishes, because it's so small and so shallow. This can just be an extra dish, or you can save it for if you have another pet. And lastly, some conditioner. Not hair conditioner, water conditioner. This is their drinking water conditioner. They need at least 2 bowls. So their drinking water will be an example this bowl, but it will need to be deeper. You'll pour that in with some water. It's good for them to drink. The next one is salt water. They will need another bowl with salt water in it, and you'll just pour that in. Salt water is important because when they molt, they will need it. And yes, you will need a certain tank. I've heard that hermit crabs might want 10 gallons to themselves or something, but honestly, I don't know if that's true. But one thing you guys might want to keep in mind is if you're thinking of one hermit crab, your hermit crab's going to get lonely. So think about getting another hermit crab to go with it, because the name is like really weird, because hermit crab, you would think they like living alone, but they actually like living in groups, unlike leopard geckos and other creatures who don't want to live in groups. This is only a teeny bit of a kit, but yeah, if you're thinking of some silly names, you can look up online, or you can just make them up yourself. We've actually thought of a few names. Here are suggestion names like Sandy and Big Claw, Small Claw, Cornelius, my all-time favorite. I really want Cornelius. That could be a good tortoise name though. So anyway, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!